Welcome to Fab Flavors with me Nobonita. Today I am going to show you a Middle Eastern dessert named Turkish Delight or Lokum. If you are a fan of the Chronicles of Narnia, you might have wondered how is Turkish Delight made. So I have brought you the step-by-step process of making this. So let's get started. First, I am taking 4 cups of sugar in a pan. Without turning on the flame, add 1.5 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now, turn on the heat to medium flame and start stirring continuously. Boil it for almost 15 minutes. For checking, take some syrup in cold water. If it solidifies, the sugar syrup is ready. Next, in off flame, I am taking 1 cup of cornflour in another pan. To it, add 3 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Turn on the heat to low flame and start stirring until it feels like a thick white paste. Make sure to stir continuously so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Then start pouring the sugar syrup gradually by stirring it continuously. Keep stirring until the mixture turns sticky and the color changes to transparent golden. It will take approximately 45 minutes. It will have ribbon-like consistency. Now switch off the flame and add 1 teaspoon of Turkish Delight essence. As an alternative, you can use vanilla essence or rose essence. Add few drops of red food color. Mix them well. Line the bottom of a square dish with a parchment paper and immediately pour the hot Turkish Delight mixture into it. Tap gently to set it and keep it aside for overnight. Now for the coating, take half cup of powdered sugar in a bowl. To it, add 1/4 cup of cornflour. Give them a nice mix. Before demolding the delight, shift some sugar mixture over it. Release the sides of the dish with the help of a knife. Now flip it over. Remove the parchment paper and again shift some sugar mixture on the top. Now cut them into equal cubes. Then for the final coating, take each cube and coat it well in the mixture. Take it out in a separate plate. Make your own Turkish Delight with our easy recipe and give yourself a treat. Our delicious, soft and exotic Turkish Delight is ready. Hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell to get our latest updates. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.